What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a good day. So cut straight to it. I haven't made a little video in a while, just because I've been on summer vacation, so I've been doing random stuff around the house and just, spending time with the wife. However, in this video, we're going to be installing lower doors on the RZR. I know I said it was one that was coming, and I didn't lie. Here it is. But I ordered this kit right here on Amazon. Now you'll see that it's already installed on this side, only because this kit here does not come with instructions. So I decided to try out one side, and if I get it to fit right and nice, I would explain how to do the other side. That way, if you guys bought this kit on Amazon, you'll be able to go ahead and do it. So I'll link the kit down in the description if you guys want to get this kit. Really easy to install, and as you see, it comes with the little triangular piece to cover the spot here, and to the other piece to cover obviously the bottom of the door there. The reason I did go with this kit is because whenever I do go through a little bit of mud or anything that gets stuck on the wheels, everything kind of flies in through the bottom of the door there and gets the whole side of your leg wet. Now, I don't really care about getting wet or dirty. However, it does bother the wife, and it is kind of annoying when you're just out there not really trying to get all that dirty, just enjoying a nice trail, and you get a whole bunch of mud flung up into the cab. So without making this longer than it has to be, let's go ahead and start the install on the other side of the RZR. First things first, now I did find it much easier to go ahead and just remove the outside panel. Another thing I actually did too is I just went ahead and removed this, because when I put my arm here and I'm riding, this kind of gets in the way of my elbow, and not really sure its purpose, so I just went ahead and removed it from the other side there, so it's a lot more comfortable to put your arm. But so all you're going to do is remove this side, this panel here. It's just a couple of T screws. I'll go ahead and tell you guys what the size is in the next clip. But you just go ahead and, yeah, it's just a couple of T Torx to take that off, and it comes off easy. It was actually a T25, so a Torx 25 bit. It's about 6 of those screws. Take that out, not really all that complicated. The other part is to take this off, and then you're gonna take off this inner little screw here and this inner bolt here, because the panel is going to fit in down here. So I'm just going to take this step by step, so that you guys aren't confused, because like I said, this kit does not come with instructions, so it's kind of complicated, but with a little bit of figuring out, it's not too bad. So that's why I'm making this video, so you guys can see how to put this door on. All right, now that you've gotten this little screw, this one out, the kit actually comes with these little quick, I think they're called quick clips, or quick whatever, you guys know what they are. Anyways, this one goes just up right into here, and your other hole is going to be right here, but they have provided hardware for that. And by the way, this is a 2018 RZR 900 Trail. However, from 2015 up until 19, I believe all these lower doors are the same type of kit, so it should work for all of that. So I'm going to start installing the door now, and I'm going to show you guys how that should all fit into place. Okay, this is fast forward a couple of minutes. So all I did was resecure the door with the hardware that was already on the door. You just take this out and put this on. There's provided hardware for this. You got your quick clip here, and just your regular bolt just goes through there from the other side. This is the bolt. This is the reason why I took the other side of the door off, just because you kind of got to get on the inside here. So it just makes it a lot easier, and probably pretty impossible to do it with the door on. And I resecured the bolt over here, so now this is nice and secured. So now when you close the door, it just closes nice like that. They do provide some weather stripping to go around there. So now all I got to do is put the panel back on, move on to the little triangular piece, which is even easier than that. Got the panel back on. Works nice, looks nice. I'm happy with that. Not a bad job. Moving on to the little triangular piece here, I did find it much easier to remove the seat. Gotta get rid of this, that's just gonna be garbage. However, yes, remove the seat, much easier to access this point. So moving along. So first step to installing this, you will need to remove this bolt here, and that's just a 1/2 inch. So I just got my little impact driver here, took this out real quick. And we've got this will just sit there like that. So they also have provided hardware for these two holes over here, which is going to be this little bracket right here. That just kind of sits on the inside here, cupping the inside of the frame, bolting onto that piece. Very simple. I'm going to go ahead and install this, show you the finished product. Okay, 100% installed on both sides. Actually turned out really well. I put the weather stripping on this side. I wish it would have come up to the top. However, that's probably going to fly off at some point anyways. But you don't really need this. I mean, it's just for, I guess, the door slamming in all the time, hitting the plastic here. But ghost. Anyways, door slamming in the plastic here the whole time. But I doubt that'll ever do any damage at any point, really. So, what do you guys think of that? I think it looks great once the RZR is all shined up, because I usually have this thing all armor-alled, so usually it's looking pretty good. Just this time I didn't feel like cleaning it after the last ride. However, let me know what you guys think of these doors. Now, these were only $150 Canadian. I do have to mention that, so it's probably a little cheaper American. But $150 Canadian opposed to $250, $300 for the actual factory Polaris doors. But like I said with the mirrors, I'm not going to go ahead and pay something extra that I don't have to and get the same look, if not better, because I actually really do like the way these look. So I'm willing to cheap out where possible, just to, you know, still get the build that I want, but kind of on a budget. So let me know what you guys think of these doors. I will post this down in the description as to where you guys can get these doors. So now you guys kind of have an install video, so you guys can go ahead and tackle this. It's not all that hard. It only took me about 20 minutes to install, actually both sides, with making the video. So not all that hard. So I do want to thank you guys for watching the video. I do appreciate all of you guys for watching the videos. Those of you who actually care about you know, the stuff that I'm doing on this channel. Those of you who don't, that's fine. You're allowed your opinion. So the next install, which I'm going to be doing next week, is the spare tire carrier on the back here. It's going to be some sort of mount here that's going to swivel up and down. I'm going to have some sort of a swivel here with a latch right here, so that I can still access the bed and keep my little rescue kit that I kind of made here for the RZR. So stay tuned for that. So once again, I want to thank you guys for spending some time with me on the channel here and installing some lower doors on the RZR. So I hope you guys tackle this. If you have any questions, do link them down, or do put them down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.